This video is going to walk you through uh, Adobe Spark Post and how to get started in creating a project. Adobe Spark is a program that the district has purchased for you. It gives you the ability to create a video, a graphic, or what they call a post, or a Spark page, which is a standalone website. To get started, you're going to go into Class Link. You're going to notice you have an Adobe Spark icon there. Clicking on the icon will pop you up and get you to the projects page. A little bit about this projects page here. You have projects on top. This is where it's going to list all projects that you have done. Obviously this will be blank if you're just getting started with it. There's also a manage brand option, which lets you create some graphics that can go on top of any project that you do. You can search on that one on your own if you'd like to. We're not covering that during this video. The button we're most interested in right now is the blue plus button here at the top middle. When I click on it, that's where I'm going to start my new file. They have a bunch of templates that you can choose from here. My best suggestion for you though is to click the Start from Scratch button up in the top right, and then you can choose from a graphic, a web page, or a video. In this case, we're going to choose graphic. It once again is going to show you some templates if you want to try to choose one. I'm going to choose Start from Scratch right here in the top middle and get us going. The next screen that shows up will let you choose the size of your project. So they are categorized here on top as well. You see there's a social media, a print, a profile, different things like that. I want to use a poster size this time, so I'm going to select poster and next. This option is a nice option for you. It lets you choose which photos you'd like to upload for your project right away. Now you can see if you're not sure, you can always go down to the skip option down here, but it does give you two options to upload something that already exists from your computer, or you can search free photos, and it searches places like Unsplash and Pixabay to be able to add things. So I'm just going to search for dog, and I see a bunch of pictures here. As I click on one, you'll see it shows up here. I can choose as many as I want to for my project to get started, but if I decide I don't want one, I can always just hit the trash can on it and we're good. And I'll click next, and it's going to open us up into our workspace. Just a little guide over the workspace here. In the upper left, you're going to see the word projects. That will get you back to your projects page where you can see all things that are there. I have a My Post option. This is where you are naming your project, and I would always name it right away. So I'm going to click in there. I'm going to name it dog and hit enter, and now my post is saved as a different name. The middle, there is an undo and redo buttons. So if you are in the process of working on something and you don't like something that you added, you can or changed, you can undo it back. And then later on we'll talk about these more in depth, but you've got your share and download options on the upper right here. The main menu that you'll be working for is on the right hand side, and the following videos will walk you through all of the different options in those videos.